Start by opening up Logger Pro such that the default graphs load. If you need to, feel free to review my video on how to set up and use Sonic Rangers. Once this screen is visible, go to the top of the screen, click File, Open, and this is going to bring you to the default folders. In here, you need to scroll down until you see a folder titled Physics with Vernier. Open this folder, and then scroll to the very top. The first couple of files are the ones that are best used with graph matching. I'm going to open up 01B graph matching. And what this does is this generates a graph. The idea is that students will walk back and forth in front of a Sonic Ranger to try and match this graph. So a couple things we need to do here is first we need to set up the Sonic Ranger, tilt it open like this so you can rest it on a flat surface, and that way the students can walk back and forth. There's also a little switch on the inside that you want to make sure is flipped towards the person because we are going to have it detecting a person. Also, you want to make sure that whoever is attempting to walk and create this graph can see the screen. This way they're not walking blind and can make adjustments on. Once this is set up, all you need to do is click spacebar or collect, and as you can see, it starts generating a real-time graph of my motion. You can see my reflection in the mirrors in the back. This is a great interactive way to get your students involved and challenge them to comprehend what a graph physically means. As you can see, you can discuss areas where I may not have matched up perfectly, the reasons I may not have matched up perfectly, and then give students a chance to see how accurate they can be with it. It's always fun too at the very end if you can then come in and show them and match it perfectly. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the next graph by clicking on the yellow folder, which allows me to open. And because I'm already in the default set of files, I don't need to do anything else. And I can go ahead and click the 01C graph matching. Now this one's definitely a little bit more challenging, but students love trying to make it happen.